The peak area of the differential thermal analysis curve is proportional to one or more of the following. A. Mass loss, B. Mass of the substance, C. Heat of decomposition or phase change. The correct answer is A only, B only, A and C, B and C. So let us see the answer for the question. The peak area in a differential thermal analysis, that is DTA. The curve is proportional to the heat of decomposition and the mass of the sample. There is an equation for peak area. Peak area A is directly proportional to the mass of the sample and the heat of decomposition. That is where K is calibration factor. M is the mass of sample. Delta H is the enthalpy of the transformation, that is nothing but the heat of decomposition. So the answer for this question is option D, that is B and C.